Have you ever been unable to run a program or game because of a missing .NET framework? Manually installing each version is tedious and time-consuming, and you might not even know which one you need. I created a simple installation script for you that automatically installs every version you'll need. It will skip any versions you already have on your PC, making the whole thing even faster. It's the easiest .NET Framework installation method I can think of. .NET Framework 4.8 includes all versions from 4.0 up to 4.8, so we only need to install this latest version. Let's get started. If you're concerned about malicious code, you can open the install.bat or .ps1 file in Notepad to check it out yourself. It's a great habit to have and ensures the file is safe. Double-click on install.bat, followed by the Windows UAC permission prompt. Basically, you can't get around those pop-ups completely. This called User Account Control, or UAC, which is a Windows security thing. It's there to stop dodgy programs from messing with your system without you knowing. Clicks Yes. It will automatically detect which versions of the .NET framework you already have installed, and it will only install the ones you need. This saves you time and space. Once the installation is complete, a PC restart is required for the changes to take effect. You can choose to restart now or later. For this demo, I'll just skip it for now. As you can see, this is the easiest and most time-saving way to install the .NET framework. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next useful tips or tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.